consideration of the bill under Rule 72(2) on the grounds that this House does not have the competence to make these amendments. Patently violates the principles provided in Article 14, 15 and 25, sir. It is both discriminatory, arbitrary. It is a grave attack on the basic structure of the Constitution as it violates the principle of judicial independence, separation of powers. Sir, one thing has to be understood, that the Waqf management of a property is an essential religious practice for a Muslim. By denying legal recognition to Waqf al-Awlad under Clause 4 and Waqf by user under Section 3(r)(1), government has sought to severely restrict how Muslims can manage their Waqf property. Sir, in fact, Hindu endowment boards, I challenge, Hindu endowment boards are recognized even by usage and custom. Here you are asking for documentation. No existing law, whether non-religious or personal, limits the right of a person to will their property or dispose it. But what you are doing over here, a Hindu can give through will his complete property to his daughter or son. I as a Muslim cannot do, I can only give 1/3. But what you are doing, I can gift, but I cannot give it in the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Now you are stopping me from praying. Now what you are doing, you are restraining Waqf al-Awlad. That is not only discriminatory and violating Article 25, sir. There is no limit on anyone to will their property dispose of. Sir, to insist that a person has practiced Islam for 5 years. Sir, एक 2 मिनट दिए, सबको दिया आप. अगर कल कोई आके बोलेगा कि नहीं मैं 5 साल से इस्लाम प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर रहा हूं, कौन डिसाइड करेगा सर? और एक न्यू कन्वर्ट है, does he has to wait for 5 years to give his property to Waqf? Isn't that violation of right to freedom of religion? Sir, another point, sir. Now, no such provision exists for Hindu endowment or Sikh Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee. Now, irony of the amendment, sir, is that non-Muslims can become member of CWC, SWB, but he cannot dedicate Waqf. Arbitrary. Why is arbitrary? Sir, existing law protected the status of registered Waqf properties. You have replaced that. By empowering collector to determine title, you are violating principle of rights of justice, that one may not be a judge in their own cause. Section 61, if DM says to Mutawalli, make this masjid as a government property, if does not listen, punishable offense. This is against separation of powers, part of which is basic structure. This bill excludes tribunal decisions from being final. If collector has been replaced by tribunal, and who's going to sit in the tribunal? A retired government judge and a retired government employee. How can the nominee be a part of this composition, sir? In our
okay. आप डिटेल में बोल देना
सर मैं खत्म कर रहा हूं. Secondary level officers can be appointed technical members. 83 states that joint secretary at the tribunal. Waqf properties, sir, are not public properties. By removing Waqf by user, this government wants to take over Dargah, Masjid and Waqf properties. Sir, take this example of 107. You have made it more difficult to be removed. Encroachment happens. Section 37 removes protection to Waqf properties. Section 40 prejudicial amendments. And the government is, sir, government बोल रही है. सर मैं खत्म कर रहा हूं सर, आधा मिनट. गवर्नमेंट कह रहे हैं कि हम महिलाओं को दे रहे हैं. मुझे यकीन है कि आप बिल्किस बानो को और ज़किया जाफरी को मेंबर बनाएंगे, मुझे यकीन है. मैं आपसे जानना चाह रहा हूं सर कि ये जो आप बिल ला रहे हैं, आप देश को बांटने का काम कर रहे हैं, जोड़ने का काम नहीं कर रहे हैं. आप दुश्मन हैं मुसलमानों के, उसका सबूत ये बिल है. थैंक यू सर.
मैं वक्फ संशोधन विधेयक 2024 को विरोध करता हूं. मान्यवर, हम लोग संविधान की कसम खा करके यहाँ आए और इस संविधान की धज्जियां इस विधेयक के अंदर उड़ाने का काम किया जा रहा है. आर्टिकल 15 के अंदर धर्म, नस्ल, जाति, लिंग, जन्म स्थान के आधार पर भेदभाव करने को, मान्यवर मैं आपकी हंसी को समझ रहा हूं, लेकिन ये बहुत गंभीर और महत्वपूर्ण विषय है. अभी हमारे माननीय सदस्य कह रहे थे कि मंदिर और मस्जिद के मसलों में फ़र्क नहीं कर पा रहे. मैं बताना चाहता हूं, वक्फ बोर्ड मस्जिदों का प्रबंधन करने का काम करता है और वक्फ बोर्ड के तहत ही मस्जिदें सारी की सारी आती हैं. और वक्फ बोर्ड की शक्तियों को आप ख़त्म कर करके डीएम राज ला करके उन तमाम प्रॉपर्टीज़ के ऊपर लगभग 8 लाख एकड़ प्रॉपर्टी पूरे देश के अंदर वक्फ बोर्ड के पास है. आप वक्फ बोर्ड की प्रॉपर्टियों को खुर्द-बुर्द कराने की जो साजिश लोग कर रहे हैं, उन साजिशों को बल देने का काम कर रहे हैं. साथ मैं आप माननीय अध्यक्ष जी आपसे कहना चाहता हूं कि आर्टिकल धारा 9 के तहत ये जो CWC संरचना में बदलाव किया गया है, मैं मान्यवर बताना चाहता हूं कि बंदोबस्ती प्रबंधन के अंदर जब दूसरे धर्म का व्यक्ति शामिल नहीं किया जा सकता तो वक्फ बोर्ड के अंदर ये शर्त क्यों लगाने का काम किया जा रहा है? और आप अगर शर्त भी लगा रहे हैं तो मैं आपसे एक बात पूछना चाहता हूं कि जो कब्जे पर प्रॉपर्टी के ऊपर पूरे देश के अंदर वक्फ की प्रॉपर्टी के ऊपर कब्जे हुए हैं, उन कब्जों को कब्जा मुक्त करा करके अगर कानून लाते के उनको कब्जा मुक्त करा के वहां पर हम लोग शिक्षण संस्थाएं चलाएंगे। जिस आदमी ने वक्फ की प्रॉपर्टी, वो प्रॉपर्टी इस नियत के साथ वक्फ की कि आने वाली नस्लों के अंदर राय खुदा के अंदर फलाह के काम किए जा सकते हैं। उन फलाही कामों के लिए उन फलाही कामों के लिए अगर इन अध्यक्ष जी 2 मिनट के लिए
2 मिनट अभी नहीं,
1 मिनट दे दीजिए,
1 सेकंड भी नहीं। श्री GM बाल योगी। अच्छा
Sir, thank you very much, sir. I vehemently oppose the very presentation of this bill. As correctly pointed out by my learned friends, this is a clear violation of the Constitution. It is a violation of the fundamental right enshrined in our Constitution. Article 14, Article 15, Article 25, Article 26, and Article 30. Sir, this bill is ill-motivated, sir. You have got dirty agenda with you. Yes. Sir, if this bill is passed, the entire box system will be collapsed, sir. Shit. That is going to happen. Similarly, sir, various bodies, Waqf Board and Waqf Council, all these bodies will have no existence. They will not have any value because all the powers vested with these bodies are captured by the government and handed over to the district collectors. It's a funny thing, sir. Similarly, sir, this will spoil this secular nature of this country. Yes. Muslims cannot donate to the Hindu system and they cannot donate to Waqf system. That is the restriction. Are you not ashamed of making this country in this way, sir? What is happening in this country? You have forbidden that kind of thing, sir. At the same time, this will jeopardize all the system. Now, Waqf Board and Council, if you go through that bill, sir, what is happening? They have no any power. All the powers are going to be vested with the collector. As per this act, collector is superior than the chairman of the Waqf Board, sir. That is the system we can see in this, sir. Sir, the funny thing is not that, sir. Once this bill is passed, the evacuation of the encroached property will become impossible. That is the funny thing, sir. This bill says that once government is encroached in this, government building is situated in the Waqf land. Even after verifying, if that is cleared, then also it cannot be evacuated. So in fact, sir, you are encouraging encroachment on Waqf land. That is another thing, sir. Sir, another thing, we can very well understand powers of the Waqf administration. They will have no, this chairman and the Waqf Board members, they will have no any power. In this various bodies, in the Parent Act, there was a clause. What was that? From various constituency, members are there. There was a stipulation that there should be Muslims. But here, you are saying only 2 names. That should be non-Hindu, non-Muslims. Even the name of a Muslim is not mentioned in this, sir. It means that you want to engross the entire system according to your liking. That is what is happening, sir. Yes. And we have to understand one more thing, sir. Government is trying to create a lot of injustice, sir. Because we had a lot of work. I have participated in 50th Lok Sabha. A JPC was constituted under Mr. Rahman, our leader, community leader. Umar Khan. He made a wonderful report, sir. It was very clear. There was a lot of good thing. You are repealing all these clauses. After a lot of study, Rahman Khan committee recommended certain things and amendment was made accordingly. Now you are repealing all these clauses. So what I am saying is, you are cruel in this. You have to be sympathetic in this, sir. this legislation, you are killing, ruthlessly killing the system, that work system. I urge upon you to prevail wisdom. You must think about that. Don't poison this country in a different way. That is what you are doing. Your intention is to spoil this country's communal. What you are doing is, you are putting Hindus and Muslims in watertight compartment. You may have that desire, but we will not allow this country to go in that direction. Sir, with this word, I conclude. Thank you very much.
Okay. K. Radhakrishnan.
Sir.